Generating an incidents list PDF report. On the incidents list, there is a feature which allows you to generate a PDF list report of incidents. This PDF list serves as a printer or email-friendly version of the list of selected incidents. To generate the PDF list report, follow 3 simple steps. First, navigate to the Incidents page from the Explorer sidebar by clicking on WHS and then Incidents. Next, select the incidents you wish to include in the PDF report. This can be done by pressing the tick next to each incident record or by clicking and dragging to select multiple incident records that are adjacent to each other. If you wish to select all the incidents in the list, you can just click at the top. Now, in the top right of the page, press the Generate Incidents PDF button. Enter the email address you want the PDF report to be sent to and click OK. After approximately 10 to 30 seconds, you will receive an email with a link to the generated incidents PDF. Click on the link and you will see the PDF with the list of your selected incident records.